Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the essentials. Note your death coordinates or a clear landmark so you can navigate back quickly. Once done, gear up with food, a weapon, blocks for bridging, and a pickaxe to recover blocked items. Make sure to enable keep inventory via cheats or load a backup if you can't reach the spot. This prevents loss while you plan. You'll move fast and deliberate. This first stage is about securing position and tools so the recovery itself is possible. You now approach the site cautiously. Crouch at edges and light the area with torches so items are visible and won't despawn unnoticed. If items fell into lava, pour water or place a bucket to convert flows, or deploy a boat to retrieve items from water safely. Once items are in reachable spots, mine or scoop them up methodically and prioritize valuable gear first. Make sure to clear mobs and stabilize footing. This middle phase is about methodical execution and minimizing further loss. You finish by securing everything. Immediately place recovered items in an ender chest or locked container so a second mistake won't cost you again. Once done, inspect your inventory and repair gear as needed. Prioritize armor and tools. If items are missing, try loading a recent world backup, enter spectator or creative on single player to locate drops, or check server logs if available. Make sure to adopt prevention measures. Set your spawn. Use shulker boxes or enable keep inventory to avoid repeating the recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.